நான் நீ நான் வாழவே உறவே நீ நான் தோன்றினான் நான் தானே பூவின் தாகம் நீதானே நான் பறவையின் அழகிடவா நீ அனலிடும் மேகம் அணைத்திடவா நீ தாவ போகும் நான் தானே பூவின் தாகம் நீதானே.
Mafi for you. Ma, go kartuma.
It's so flavorful. This one take go.
Na kaas kartuna rendu ni.
Take come.
Tora.
I don't know the apple is I take go.
Kude. ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிக்கோ போத போய் நாங்க ஜாமா வைக்கிறதுக்குள்ள போ.
Hey, Margo, KFC there?
ஓ கண்ணாடிக்கு நேரா வச்சிருக்காங்க ஒழுங்கா பொட்டுன்னு போயிடும்.
அதெல்லாம் பேசாதீங்க.
இது பாரு ரூம் எடுத்துது எவ்வளவு கேவலமா.
Up here.
எங்க மக்கள் சிசி ஓதோ.
Doing housework.
எங்க அம்மாக்கு தெரியாத நான் வீடியோ வச்சுட்டேன். நீங்க வீடியோ எடுத்தா நம்ம தான் தெரியுமா?
அத சொல்லு. ஏன் ஆம்பளை பையன் வீட்ல இருந்தானா அரி துணி துவைச்சு காய போட்டு எல்லாம் செய்வான். நேத்து நான் வேலை முடிஞ்சு வீட்டுக்கு போறேன். என்னம்மா செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கே? காலையில இருந்து வீட்டுல இருக்கு காய துணி எடுத்துனா அது எவ்வளவு தூரத்துல இருக்கு தெரியுமா? என் மேல காயப்பட்டுறாதா?
Hello. Putting a planche.
முதல்ல சாப்பிட போட்டலாம் போட்டுருக்கோம்.
நியூயார்க் நகரம் உறங்கும் நேரம் தனிமை அடர்ந்தது பனியும் படர்ந்தது கப்பல் இறங்கிய காற்றும் கரையில் நடந்தது 4 கண்ணாடி சுவர்களுக்குள்ளே நானும் எழுதுவத்தியும் தனிமையோ கொடுமையோ
I know I didn't talk much throughout the vlog because I think it has been quite some time since I last vlogged, right? So I felt like, oh my god, what do I say? So I think throughout this vlog I didn't speak that much, but for this part, for the context, I actually got 2 tickets from City Production and 1 ticket I bought it from a friend who actually recommended that person. I bought it from that person. So when I got the ticket, I actually noticed that the heading part of the ticket actually got 2 Viren tickets, so I wanted another 1 more ticket because I couldn't check out on time. So most of the Viren tickets got sold out. You guys would have seen me uploading again and again asking whether anybody is letting go the tickets or not. So I wanted to buy from someone who is actually letting go of their tickets. I don't want to buy from any TikTok dealers and whatnot. My friend, she introduced me to this one person. And I even asked that person whether you are letting go your tickets, and she was like, yeah, she has 6 Viren tickets. And I was like, okay, you know what, I want one. And then I purchased the ticket, and the moment I got the PDF copy, Viren is actually purple zone, but the copy that I got, it was saying that Viren standing zone, and it was orange. And I was like, wait, what? Something is not right. So I texted that person and I was like, what is this? Can you send me the Viren standing zone, Viren sitting zone? And she was like, okay, let me contact that person. I'm like, wait, what? I thought you were letting go your tickets and you're contacting another person. And then she said it was a printing error, and she said that we don't have to worry about that. So when the 3 of us, when we went there, what happened was we scanned the ticket. I scanned City Productions ticket first, but then when I scanned the 3rd ticket for me, it was saying that it was already scanned 2 hours ago. I told them, both of y'all can go in, I will wait outside. Each and every single one of us were taking turns telling that, no, you wait outside, I wait outside. Contacted the girl told me that she was in a police station, she was making some kind of police complaint and whatnot. So because you imagine you want to bring your mom to like the very first concert ever, and then suddenly your ticket got scammed and there's nothing I can do about that. So I told my mom that we can just cancel the whole thing, we don't even have to go inside, but my mom said that I already spent almost like 700 to 800 for the tickets itself. So my mom said it's okay, you can just go in and see whether you like it or not, and then you can leave if you don't like it. Throughout the entire time I was like sending videos of like whatever I'm recording there to my mom, so she was like watching the videos live, whatever is happening on the stage I was showing her. We came with so much of hopes that we could, like all three of us could enter the hall, because number one, I'm not from KL, I came all the way from Singapore, so like taking flights and whatnot, it costs a lot, and the hotels, the food, accommodations and everything just to see Hip Hop Tamila. And my mom is also a fan of Hip Hop Tamila. She doesn't exactly know who Hip Hop Tamila is, but she listens to the song. So I still remember before I go for the concert, like telling my mom, Ma, this is how you should sing, you should be like Kahadali Kahadal, like I told her all of that. And then suddenly, like, you know, the ticket got scammed, and I know that I wasn't the only one who got scammed, many of them out there also got scammed. So I really hope in the future, I hope you guys don't do this, because we were very desperate like for tickets, and only then we were like actually asking everybody out there whether you guys have the tickets or not. And I really wanted to purchase from someone who really wanted to let go of their tickets and not like resellers, you know. I should have been more cautious, like ask like where is the ticket coming from and everything. I trusted someone blindly through WhatsApp. So lesson learned. Probably in the future, if I ever go for any concert, hopefully Hip Hop Tamila 2.0, I will go in and I'll buy as much tickets as I want as soon as possible, because I literally missed the ticket buying thing, so I could only check out with 2. So yeah, let's move on to the vlog.
தியாகங்கள் பற்றி தெரியுமா? அவை தெரியாத இனங்களின் வலிமையான எதிரிகளை சந்தித்த பிறகு மீண்டும் தன் புகைக்கு திரும்பும் பயணங்களின் அனுபவங்களால் அதன் சக்தி பெரிதான். ஆனால் பொதுவாக டிராகன்கள் திரும்புவதில்லை. ஒருவேளை அவை திரும்பி வந்தால் then get ready for the fire.
முதலாக பரவசமாக வா 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 அன்பே. ஓஹோ தனித்தனியாக தன்னந்தனியாக இலவசமாக இவன் வசமாக வா 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 அன்பே.
உன்னாலே உன்னாலே விண்ணாளச் சென்றேனே, உன் முன்னே மெய்தாழ நின்றேனே. ஒரு சொட்டு கடலும் நீ, ஒரு பொட்டு வானம் நீ, ஒரு புள்ளி புயலும் நீ.